Okay, this is the new entrance I cut off of our driveway for this micro plot. And as I mentioned, the creek comes right here behind the blind. So that should pull your evening thermal scent down behind the blind and out to right before I leave. So this is the new road coming in, and the blind is set up like right here in this corner.
All right, here's a quick peek at B2. You got growage. All right, chicken coop number, I don't know, 8 now? Wow, we're gonna have a lot of eggs.
Alright, here we go. We are going in reverse. Alright, at least for this one, I got asphalt. It's not as steep as the last one. This is going in a bottom plot, a brand new one. I made 2 new ones this year. Coincidentally, last year we scored our nice buck on the bottom plot. It's not why I'm doing it, but this year we're going to have 3. It just lays out good. And then this is bottom plot is a sister plot to the existing one, so that now pretty much any wind direction we could put somebody in either one of those 2. One's on one side of the driveway, one's on the other, so regardless of the wind we'll have a bottom plot on each side. Yeah, I was paying attention to filming, and look at that, I almost come off the driveway, and I could have dumped this thing. That's actually a lot steeper than it looks, but I recovered okay. Okay, this is the new entrance I cut off of our driveway for this micro plot, and then we're going to take the new road that I cut into it, and you'll see more of the beauty of this. This is a beautiful brand new plot. So this is the entrance trail, where you can come in, drop a guy off, or you could drop him off at the driveway, which is behind us, and they could hike in this little ways. And then I made another little trail also off here to the right, again, where you could sneak into this one. This one's going to be a little more out in the open, but you could sneak in pretty good in and out through this little trail up here on the side. Alright, so I had previously cut a relatively flat spot with the dozer when I was in here clearing this new micro plot. So we're going to set up the stand and get it leveled and continue on. We'll show you a beautiful view. Coincidentally, right now this thing is a carpeted beautiful green. Today, as I'm editing, is September 29th. Maybe I could show you a quick peek of that at the end. Alright, another one down. Thank goodness. This one was a little tough to level down here in this bottom, but we got it. Now we're going to bring the ladder in and keep this party going. Another beautiful spot. Alright, here's our setup. This is a brand new clearing. Right here is a pond, and an old farm pond. And the road comes in from here. Yeah, you got the eyes, sun in your eyes in the morning, but it's almost 10 o'clock right now. Most guys are out by 9 to 10, 9:30. So the sun didn't hit it till just a little bit ago. But we got everything sloping downhill here. We got a creek coming right here. It's going to come right behind the blind. So evening thermals should be sucked following that creek away from this plot. So even if you got, like, you get calm down here in the bottom, you don't get the wind like you do on the ridge tops. So as it's cooling off, it's going to take your scent right where we want it, down that creek and away from this spot. So we're going to get planting here. All right, let me give you a better aerial so you could put all the pieces together. So we're going to cruise down our driveway, which goes all the way down to the bottom, and then we're going to take a look at our original microplot. You see it over here on the left, and this brand new one is over here on the right. And as I mentioned, the creek comes right here behind the blind, so that should pull your evening thermal scent down behind the blind and out towards the driveway and down across this bottom. Should be a perfect evening setup. And as far as mornings go, you ain't got to worry about thermals so much, because as it warms up, they bring your scent uphill and out of the deer noses. So this is another beautiful, beautiful setup. All right, before I leave, so this is the new road coming in, and the blind is set up like right here in this corner. So you got good access in and out to sneak in and out. Man, I like this new setup. This is bottom plot number 2 out of 3 this year. And then there, of course, you could still see the farm pond there, which is another bonus for this plot. So here's what the views look like in this thing. And finally, we're going to give you an up to the, well, it's only a couple days old, but we're going to show you the food plot coming in. And my last mission is I need to get a camera set up on this plot. I don't have that done just yet, but rest assured, I know the deer are using this thing already.
All right, here's a quick peek at B2. The pond is on the other side here. The deer blind's behind me. Ugh, let me get out here. But you got growage. Oh, and we still got bugs out here, man. Not bad.